Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making porridge beans with you guys, so sit back and watch and learn how to make amazing delicious porridge beans. So you need a very ripe plantain for this, and you're going to be needing meat for this as well. So I'm going to start by blending my crayfish. After crayfish, I'm going to be blending the scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, and some tomatoes. Allow the water to drain after blending them. On the saucepan, I'm going to be adding vegetable oils, a little thyme. Allow the oil to heat up before going in with the meat. Fry the meat until they are crunchy enough. Remove them from the oil and go in with the onion. Stir and allow the onion to cook down for about 1 or 2 minutes before going in with the tomatoes, pepper, onion that I blended earlier. So stir them and allow them to go. While they are cooking, I love to divide my seasoning into 2 or 3 steps. So at this point, I'm going to be adding extra pepper and seasoning cube. Stir everything together, salt as well, and allow them to keep cooking. Then at the end of the cooking, I'm also going to be seasoning them again. I also added crayfish into the sauce, if you notice. So I'm going to allow the sauce to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or when you start seeing the oil floating on top of the tomato or top of the pepper sauce, you know that your sauce is ready. So for the beans, I'm going to be adding the beans on a boiling water. Put the lid on and allow and bring the beans to boil. So back to the sauce, I'm going to be adding the fried meat into the sauce because the sauce are ready. So after stirring them, I'm going to turn off the heat. Let's move back to the beans. I'm going to drain the beans. I'm going to drain this first water out of the beans to remove that excess chemical for preservation. This is how I love to cook my beans. And now I added the beans back to pot. Add hot water. Make sure you have hot water ready. After that, I'm going to put the lid on. I don't like adding salt immediately on the beans. So as you can see, the beans, the water have started drying up a little. I added extra water, and now I'm adding my onion. I also added the stock from the meat into the beans. Now I'm also going to be adding some my plantain. I'm also going to be adding yam. You don't have to use yam if you don't want to use yam. I have a frozen yam in the freezer, so I decided to throw everything in and put the lid back on and allow the beans to continue cooking. When you taste the beans and the beans is soft enough, go ahead and add your red oil. So before transferring the beans into the sauce that I made earlier, make sure that the beans is cooked, okay? And that is when I also love to put the lid on, and after a couple of minutes, I'm going to open and add my red oil. So when you notice that the beans is getting soft, transfer it there. But before then, I'm going to be adding my crayfish as well. Salt will come later. I added crayfish and some seasoning cube, optional. If you don't want to add seasoning cube, that is okay. So add some salt because the beans is almost cooked. So at this point, I'm going to transfer the beans into the sauce that I made earlier. Mix everything together. I love my beans I love porridge beans. When it comes to porridge, yam, beans, or anything porridge or pottage, I love them to be porridge or pottage. I don't like them to be hard. So I added extra water. After adding the water, I'm going to add extra crayfish. Then put the lid on and allow the beans to cook. If you want them dry, it's optional, up to you. If you don't want them dry, it's also up to you. But lastly, I added tomatoes. Yes, I added tomatoes. If you've never added tomatoes, fresh tomatoes into your beans before, please try it. You will enjoy it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. God bless you. Bye.